On the show this week, will the market drop 30%? What did I invest in this week? And what are the current investment totals? Let's find out. Hi and welcome to Series 2, Episode 3 of my investment series. For investments, it was a quiet week for price movements until Friday, when things went somewhat south. However, crypto came to the rescue for me, with rising prices from our initial investments. So how did this all work out? The big question is, should I continue to invest or hold off while the market is so unstable? With the Womble signals showing a sell pattern, buying at market prices isn't recommended. So I've decided to put some low order buys into the market using those funny little brick walls I keep talking about. So what are these walls? Or more importantly, as one subscriber put it, who makes these walls? To answer that, I'll create a short on this next week, so look out for that video. The low order buys I've put onto the exchange will now sit there until the price falls. So what's the worst that could happen? Well, nothing. I can always cancel the order if the price isn't met and goes back up, to get my money back and buy in at a different price. I've also had long discussions with my trading partners this week concerning a potential further price fall for Bitcoin and the market in general. There has been some intense debates going on, and we seem to have three scenarios in play. The first is that we have already hit the bottom of the market several weeks back, but I think this is quite optimistic. The second is that the price will fall another 15 to 20%, and the third is that the price will fall by at least 30% and possibly much lower. With the recession upon us, high inflation, and further increases in interest rates, it is difficult to see a market price move that isn't going down. But as I said in episode 1, June is an important month for a BTC price, and we will have to wait and see what happens as the month continues. But what do you think of the price of Bitcoin? Will it rise? Will it fall? Also, what should I buy next? Do you have a favourite crypto, stock or other asset you think I should buy next? Why not let me know in the comments? So let's run through the assets I have and see if they have increased or decreased in value this week. The time of valuation was Saturday after the USA markets closed, although crypto prices may have moved on since that time. So let's start with stocks, ETFs and bullion. So let's start with Tesla, and as we can see, we have our buy point on the chart and the price is still some way above this, but the price could fall. So we're going to leave that on for a week or so and see if we'll buy more stock. Moving on from Tesla, we have the Vanguard. Our buy point was smashed by Vanguard. The price fell and crashed through it, so we've bought more Vanguard. Same is true for Amazon. We put a low buy point in, but the price descended and crashed through it. So we now own more Amazon stocks. On the S&P 500, our buy point was almost hit by the price. You can see that on the far right where the price is so close to the original buy point. Because of this, we've lowered our buy point down to another wall, the PP 2.618. So what we're expecting is when the market opens again on Monday, the price will continue to fall and hit that buy point. There's no point in buying if we believe the price is going to fall further, so we might as well move our price. And then looking at Coinbase and Bitcoin, we have a long way to go there. The price is sort of in the middle of the screen at the moment on that little green candle, and our buy point is all the way down at the bottom at £21,800. Okay. So let's look at the total for stocks. We have $764. Remember, our stocks are in dollars, not in pounds. So we have $764 available to invest. We've invested $1,110, and currently we're down minus 4.36. Looking at that in more detail, we can see that Amazon is down 7.23%, the S&P is down 5.79%, Vanguard is down 2.82%, Silver is down 0.64%, and Tesla is down 9.47%. Bit of a sea of red there, but again, initial investments and we're buying the dip on the market. So we'll continue to do that even if we see more red as we continue to go forward. So let's jump on to our crypto. Total balance is £3,912.94. Our Bitcoin is down 2.91% at 1794. Our Ethereum is down minus 9.42%, ouch, at 1744. And then our DAI, the only piece of green we've got is up 0.5%, which only amounts to a couple of pounds, unfortunately. What does that mean for our holdings in general? Well, as you can see, we've increased our Amazon holding from $160 to $226, basically doubled our shares there. Our Tesla holding remains the same. Our silver we've increased, we bought more silver, another $100 worth of silver. Our S&P is the same. Remember, these are low order buys on the markets. We bought more of our Vanguard. Our Bitcoin value has increased, basically because the price has gone up since we bought our Bitcoin, even though the actual price has gone down this week. Our Ethereum is also slightly up from 1852.41 to 1935.73, which is good. Our DAI is up, as I said, about £2. Our fiat drops to 8,932 available funds to invest from 9,150, so that's how much we've actually invested in pounds. That brings our total to 13,834 for this week, which is up on last week's total of 13,616. So there's our lovely dashboard. So our starting fiat showing at 15,000, and currently it's valued at 13,834 if we cashed out today. So let's put that into some numbers. So all in all, we are up on last week's total by £218, which is about 1.6% ROI profit. We are still down on the total investments, which is now running at about minus 7.7% ROI. This is nothing to concern me right now, as the market continues to fall. I just have to be patient and keep buying at the lowest point I can over the coming weeks and months as the bear market continues. I'd like to take this point to say a big thanks to all my new subscribers, and as I always say, onward and upward.